Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today, let's cook fish fillet, delicious recipe. Ingredients: salt, Old Bay seasoning. This one is my favorite seasoning for the fish, always. Tuna fillet and extra virgin olive oil. It's very simple. First step, always seasoning with salt. I put a little olive oil, massage a little bit, and Old Bay seasoning. My favorite for the fish is ready. Let's put extra virgin olive oil in the fry pan. We add the tuna fillet. And we cooking for 3 minutes for each side. We flip up the tuna fillet, and now look how beautiful for this side, and 3 more minutes on the other side. The tuna fillet are ready. Let's make now the presentation for the client. The final result is a super simple recipe. The simple recipe are the best always. We put now a little sprinkle, a little parsley, and it's ready. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share. Your comments are always very important for us. And we make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.